Hey, Katie Rose here from General RV in Tampa, Florida. Come check out my Alpine Avalanche Edition 366 LS. This exquisite fifth wheel is designed to elevate your adventures with this spacious and well thought out floor plan, which offers plenty of seating and sleeping for all of your guests. This rear kitchen is equipped with a full-size electric refrigerator and a 3-burner cooktop. It offers a perfect space for culinary creations. Now check out my front bedroom. This is a sanctuary for rest, boasting a king-size bed with storage underneath and a master closet that's prepped for a washer and dryer.